Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy M13 and let me share with you how to reset app preferences on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find the apps. Now let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on Reset App Preferences. As you can see, your device is informing you that it will reset all preferences for disabled apps, notification restrictions for apps, background data restrictions for apps, and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on Reset Apps. And that's all. This is how to reset app preferences in your Samsung Galaxy M13. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.